Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video discusses Warren Buffett's perspective on the best and worst investments during an inflationary economy. The investments are categorized into 5 levels within a framework referred to as the investor's protection against inflation pyramid. Here's a summary of the key points. 1. Worst investments during inflation. Assets denoted in a currency. Holding cash or currency as inflation erodes its value is not a wise choice. Bonds with coupons and inflated currency. Fixed income investments may offer apparent returns, but inflation can negate those gains. 2. Unproductive assets. Assets like art, real estate, and gold can maintain their real value during inflation, but don't necessarily increase purchasing power. 3. Productive assets at mediocre type. Businesses requiring significant additional investment to stay competitive can struggle during inflation. Businesses with low returns on tangible assets may find it challenging to maintain real value. 4. Productive assets, great type. These businesses have characteristics that make them resilient during inflation. Low capital requirements, high returns on assets. Businesses with strong brands or software companies fall into this category. Pricing power. Companies that can adjust prices effectively. Little or no need for cash with some leverage. Businesses that don't require significant capital investments and can benefit from leverage. 5. Best investment during inflation, your own earning power. Investing in yourself to acquire valuable skills or education ensures you'll remain in demand regardless of currency fluctuations. Leveraging your education avenue through debt can be advantageous during inflation. This framework emphasizes the importance of investing in productive assets with specific characteristics like pricing power and low capital requirements. Ultimately, investing in your own skills and abilities is the best protection against inflation. The video concludes with a positive note encouraging optimism despite the challenges of inflation. In summary, during an inflationary economy, Warren Buffett suggests avoiding assets denominated in currency, unproductive assets, and mediocre productive assets. Instead, prioritize investments with characteristics that allow them to thrive during inflation, and the best protection is investing in your own earning power. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.